Instagram users, are you tired of scrolling through your Insta accounts all day? Maybe you should try and get creative on Instagram to help yourself earn money from this top social media platform. This video right here is a head start to your career as a content creator on Instagram. Before proceeding, like our channel and hit the bell icon for future notifications. Growth on social media like Instagram demands a serious approach if you want to make real money. Not to mention, there are many ways to make money because there is such a large and varied audience that might possibly see your material. A recent survey conducted by Hype Auditor, it was claimed that an average influencer makes around $2,900 per month. Your favorite influencer Kylie Jenner, however, is an exception, who makes $983,100 per ad or sponsored post. Cool, right? Here are 4 ways to become kick-ass creator on Instagram. Brand collaborations. Collaboration with brands to create sponsored content is the top revenue stream for 68% of social media influencers. Partnerships with businesses may take numerous forms, such as being paid to create an Instagram post featuring a certain product or being provided free things in return for content. It could be as simple as sending you free products or swag, or you could negotiate rates, sign a contract, agree to deliverables, and possibly form a lifelong partnership. To begin, create a few free posts featuring some of your favorite things like restaurants, skincare, whatever seems real to you. When reaching out to brands, you may use those posts as examples. If you have a well-defined specialty, for instance short videos or humorous content, that appeals to a certain audience, you should consider collaborating with companies. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is related to brand partnerships, because joining an affiliate program still requires you to connect with a company that sells certain items or experiences. Affiliate networks effectively pay you to sell other people's items. You are compensated if your followers purchase something from the company through you, typically by utilizing a particular link or discount code. If you have less than 1,000 followers and an audience that is interested in your reviews or suggestions, this is a useful tactic you should consider. Instagram itself is now developing a native affiliate tool for artists. If you qualify, you can tap over to your professional dashboard, set yourself up, and then you may advertise shoppable goods from partner businesses straight in the app and earn a commission on any purchases you make. Sell your merch. It's a smart business move to use Instagram as a marketing channel for your other sources of income. Consider selling merchandise if you've curated your own brand well enough to have a distinctive appearance, logo, tagline, or other distinguishing feature. You may profit from sales and gain free publicity when your supporters start wearing your name on their sweatpants. If you have a clearly defined niche and a sincere love for your product that will rub off on your audience, you should consider using this tactic. It's generally better to have your products in place sooner, rather than later as you grow. To begin offering your goods for sale, set up an Instagram store for your items after conducting market research to see what your audience wants from you. Then, start thinking about the rest of your e-commerce infrastructure, such as landing sites and email newsletters. Enable Live Badges. Instagram's Live Badges provide US-based creators a way to get paid directly through the platform. In order to express their support, viewers can buy the badges during a live broadcast that cost between 99 cents and $4.99. Go to your profile and select Professional Dashboard to enable Live Badges. Then allow for monetization. You'll notice a button labeled Set Up Badges when you've been accepted. If you've enabled Live Badges, be sure to mention it when you go live and show appreciation when someone buys a badge. Remind your followers that it's simple for them to donate money if they'd want to. Thank you notes go a long way and are likely to inspire others to contribute. The program is still in the testing phase and hence will be widely available later on after testing. Instagram has not only become one of the fastest growing and widely loved social media platforms, but it has introduced tons of features for all the creative people out there to ensure sustained growth on the channel. The owner of the Meta Group, Mark Zuckerberg himself, said, "Our goal is to be the best platform for creators like you to make a living. It's high time you let your creative side be revealed, so what are you waiting for?" If you find the information helpful, then comment, share and like the video and subscribe our channel.